Welcome, my name is Jürgen Löffler. I'm the exterior designer of the new TT, and I will explain to you now the main features of the car. And for me, I had a little bit the icon of Usain Bolt in mind when we created this car. For example, the expression of the front, for example, the headlamps, for me are like the eyes of a human being, and also this line is characterizing the mood of the car, and for me it's like an athlete, like really sitting in the starting grid and trying to run with a focused eye, and giving the car really this sporty feeling, but also the three-dimensional surfaces all around the single frame shape. It's giving the car really this 3D character, really modern feeling, and we wanted to go also in the direction of R8, a more sporty car, and so we put the Audi wings now on the front hood, not in the single frame anymore, so like the R8, so we have a lot of R8 genetic as well in the car, and the vertical elements in the headlights symbolize our R18 Le Mans race car, which we run this year in Le Mans, and having the same vertical elements in the headlights. For me, the first generation was more like a coupe, and the second generation already went into a more sporty direction. But with the third generation, I think we achieved now really a sports car, and trying to have really the surfaces with tension. Really, for me, it's like the skin over a muscle, really tight everything. It's not a bodybuilder, it's more like an athlete, and giving the car really sporty appearance. All the lines, a lot of tension. Also the roof is not so round anymore like in the first generation. The most important idea of the car is to have the basic elements of the first generation in the TT3, and this is basically to have a crown shape, and on this crown shape you have this add-on roof. It's really sitting on the A-pillar and also on the C-post. It's really hard on the body, and this is something really TT1. You have a body, so the roof is sitting on, and also the wheelhouses are really add on the car, as well as the back wheel arch. It's really add-on piece. And this is clear a language of the first generation TT. Also the shoulder line is surrounding the whole car. You see from that vertical element, it's running directly in the shoulder line, and in the back, it's in the tail light. And it's like the car is surrounded by this line, and you feel like the whole car is one sculpture, not like the front end and the side and the back end, but this line is surrounding the whole car and giving you this impression of one piece of sculpture, and this makes for me the car really iconic.